y'all, it's Papa G. It's car show season, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications, because I'm posting daily. All the cars are rolling in left and right. People are everywhere. I'm happy to bring you the 34th annual Run to the Sun car show. The event planners are telling me that they have over 3,200 cars entered. There's a ton of them here already, with more rolling in as I speak. So sit back, relax, enjoy, do a few interviews with car owners. That's pretty entertaining. Interview number 1 is coming up in 30 seconds. All right, I'm here with David Turner, and he's got a gorgeous General Lee replica car. David, you want to tell me a little bit about it?
Yeah, absolutely. It's a 1969 Dodge Charger. I bought it back in January of 2021, and it needed restoration, and we just finished it up about 3 or 4 months ago, and this is the first car show it's in.
Oh, okay.
We made it pretty much as authentic as possible. It's got the camel interior, automatic center console. It's got the Cobra 78X CB radio. I even have Daisy Duke, Catherine Bach's signature, and Tom Woolpat's signature on the glove box.
Nice. That is awesome. How'd you manage to get them?
They actually, Cooter, Ben Jones has a place in Luray, Virginia. He's actually got 3 of them, but I went to the one in Luray, Virginia called Cooter's, and Catherine Bach and Tom Woolpat were up there signing autographs. So I took my glove compartment door, went up there, stood online for 3 hours, and got their autograph.
Now, you were telling me earlier there's something different about the lettering.
Yeah. So if you're a Dukes of Hazzard fan, you'll know that in the first season they filmed it in Georgia, and after the first season they moved to California, and they filmed it in California. But when they filmed in Georgia, this is called the Georgia era font. So it's fatter letters, and then when they went to California for filming, they ended up changing this font to skinnier letters. So,
is it noticeable in the show if you know what to look for?
Yes,
okay.
Yeah, and then even if you see these cars at car shows, you could see them, because I see them in pictures on Facebook, and it's all preference what people like, and I like this better.
Right.
And same thing with the push bar in the front. When they filmed in Georgia, they had the wide push bar, and then when they went to California, they used a narrow push bar. I like the wider one, so I went with that.
Now, what engine is in this car?
It's a 383.
Yeah.
With a 4-barrel, and pretty much stock. Not much done to the engine.
Very nice, though.
But everything was redone from front to rear. It's got a vintage air system, because it was an original AC car.
Yeah.
So we put a vintage air system in it, which works great.
So that push bar's...
That's a wide push bar,
right.
And then when they moved to California, it was probably like that.
Okay.
So I kind of like the wide one.
Yeah, I like that too.
Oh, and then one other thing, the license plate, I got John Schneider's signature on the license plate.
Oh, sweet. Nice. Yeah. It's tucked under there. Nice. Well, I appreciate the interview.
Yeah,
man.
You're welcome, man. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
All right, I'm here with Fred Turner of Fred X. He's going to tell us about this fine looking machine. How you doing, Fred?
All right. We having a big time down here this weekend with your junk mail truck.
Tell me something about it. What is it?
Well, it's a 56 Dodge mail truck. It's got we put a small block Chevrolet motor in it, and, you know, took the old stuff out and made it reliable so you can drive on the road and got airbags on it.
So it was a mail truck from the get-go?
Original mail. It's still original mail truck out of Mississippi.
Oh, that is awesome. I didn't realize that. I just thought you made that up.
No, that's the real deal there, buddy.
That is cool. Well, I appreciate the interview, Fred.
Okay.
Come on. Now, why didn't Fred want you to do any talking?
Because I have to do all the work.
Oh, okay.
I have to do the work. He gets the pleasure for it.
He wants you well rested.
I get to recognize for it. He does the work.
So let me get this straight. Fred's the pretty face in front of the camera.
Right.
You're the man behind the scenes.
Hand dirty.
Oh, yeah, I heard that.
He's to go get this and go get that guy.
Oh, is he?
He's the one that turns all the boats the wrong way.
There you go. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
There you go.
No respect. No respect.
All right, I'm here with John from Rooster Rod Shop. John, y'all brought an interesting truck over here. Want to tell me about it?
Yes, sir. It's a 31 Model A.
Yeah.
Ford Y block in it. Powered a couple of Super 97s. Custom headers that we built at the shop. Hand-built frame. A lot of body mods. A lot of suspension modifications. We built the tie rod in the front to look like a bumper. 64 Grand Prix style headlights and taillights. Kenmont style brakes. Trackmaster steering box. It's all custom linkage we made in the tri-power setups on it. The body channeled 4 inches, reversed firewall, 46 Merc dash, some mid-century bent plywood seats we found, Crestline steering wheel. The rear suspension, it's got this quarter ellipticals with custom wishbones we made. Winner's quick change. Of course, you got to sit on the Coker Firestones, you know.
There you go.
Check out the details. It's got 31 Mercury dimes.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yes, they're in all the custom knobs and stuff.
That's amazing. Beautiful color. What color is that?
That's a custom blended color our painter Dar made up.
Wow.
Started out with a brown metallic and then just went a couple coats of candy over it. Wet sanded and buffed, and it's dirty out here, but
Well, pollen season.
that's it. That's it.
All right, brother. I appreciate
No
you.
problem. Thank you.
That face. There you go. There you go. Get in here.
got Susan B. Anthony dollars embedded into the dash.
Oh. Wow. That is awesome.
Green neons underneath and inside,
Oh, really?
or LEDs.
Bet that looks great at night, don't it? What size is that engine?
350,
Okay.
69 Z28, what it come out of.
Nice. You know how long he's owned it?
It's had over a year.
Over a year.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful car. And the perfect weekend for it, right?
Yes, it is.
Look at that paint.
Yeah, it's all
And
airbrush.
that's from that movie.
Yep.
That logo. I recognize that logo when yeah, there it is. I noticed we got some custom embroidery back here in the truck.
Yep. The headliner has the same thing, the 4-leaf clover.
Sweet.
The color of the car is shamrock green.
Shamrock green.
Yep.
Well, that's perfect. That is perfect. Well, it's a beautiful car. I appreciate your interview.
Thank you.
Hey y'all, this Papa G. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Welcome to Papa G's world.